What's good, y'all? Back with another video. Today's not gonna be nothing too crazy. We are at Matt Graham's house. I'm with my little sister.
What's going on?
Honestly, we just washing the cars today. Just washing the cars, nothing too crazy. Take you out through the process. Hey, what is this wash called? What type of wash is this? Claybar in the cars. I don't know what that is, honestly. I think it's gonna be good. Hey, you think you'll be able to put that brush under my car?
What?
That brush under my car?
Oh yeah, no, I'll show you. I'll clean that rim up. I'll show you what we can do that.
Alright.
I'll show you what we can do.
Well, and we got like a little meet yesterday. I'll drop the little, little snippets right here so y'all can see that. Damn! Fake one time, bro. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Okay. Oh. That shit sting. I ain't even...
Oh yeah, rep that shit one more time.
Your turn. Your turn. Go ahead, show us a little something. Tell her, show us a little something.
It's a diesel, it doesn't make
This is a first gen joint too. This is a first gen.
What do you mean look like this bitch got?
I also bought my camera, so I'm gonna vlog me getting some shots of my boy Subi. So, yeah, I go through my little day or whatever. Nothing too crazy. So, yeah, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. I made an Instagram channel for my car. I'm gonna put that in the description. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen somewhere. And yeah, stay tuned. Continue to support. I appreciate y'all starting to DM me on Instagram instead of commenting on my YouTube channel. I told y'all many a times to DM me on Instagram because I can't get my comments. I don't know why. I just don't get my notifications for my comments, or my comments are turned off. I don't know why. Right, little sis?
Fuck you.
Well, yeah. DM me any questions y'all have. I can also DM her.
Hey, stop.
Is that really a girl? Stupid ass.
Stupid ass. They gonna think I'm a dyke.
Oh boy.
It's not corrosive or anything, so.
How you feel about the wash?
Why you gotta be so close to me?
Yes, sir.
Storm is going over, so we can finally wash the cars.
This way or this way?
Yeah, this way.
Good wash, good wash. To all you Mopar heads, this right here, I don't know why y'all think y'all can beat these. Twin turbo V8, no spinning, all-wheel drive. These are banned from the tracks if you didn't know. Mopars aren't. So what does that tell you? These will whoop y'all ass. So keep talking shit. Keep talking shit. Wasn't funny. That was not funny.
That was gay.
Claying it. Zooming it. Look at them exhaust tips too. Then you get that. Jesus.
Like 36-hour detail, they call them. Like
36 hours?
Yeah,
I will be
Ain't never going to sleep.
What? Look at that thing. That thing look good too.
Hey, look. Hey, Matt. Matt, look.
You see me?
Hey, that shit feel good.
Give me. Hey, everybody, I'm just be honest. Let me see this. This is what we really use to clean the car. And he's drinking it. This dude is dangerous.
Some parts.
He licks windows.
He licks windows. What really cleans the cars?
That's a clean Vic.
Look at this glass house. This guy done cleaning Eli's car. Sheesh.
Hey, look.
Sheesh. Do it. Sheesh. 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 Got it. Oh, the door's locked. God, why you lock the door right here, bro? Okay, got the inside clean too. It's hot as hell in that.
It's the tent. It's the tent.
Golly.
Bedded clay can be tricky to
Now it's
deal
my
with.
turn. Stupid ass. Look at all that dirt.
It's a nasty piece.
There's a nasty blicky too.
These wheels will look crazy though when I'm done with them.
I should have took a before video, but you'll probably see it in like the other clips. He just the shot of the wheels. And they lock your fingers, and they say you can't look at the back of your heel. Why you do this? But you gotta look like that and do it. No, like this.
Someone tell me that this is good.
How is it gay? Just do it, bruh. You got look at the back. Like lift your foot up. What do you say?
You ninkin' poop. Oh, British people would say that. You ninkin' poop.
Show them what the Claybar look like, Matt. Oh!
That's a clay motherfucker, dude.
Man, when you have some beer, that was
Them slocks.
That's dick.
What?
Was that like a fucking dickhead now?
What did you say, Bob?
He said you ninkin' poop.
There's 2 beers and it's a fucking cunt.
He said 2 beers in the game, and then he starts acting like a sissy.
Yeah, I could literally smack the shit out of him. I literally fucking kill him over that.
Do beers and start acting like a sissy.
Oh!
Both cars are clean. Jesus. Now I'm about to get some pictures of my car and my little sister's car and Matt's car. They really gonna think you got some good shots of all the cars. My car, Eli's car, and Matt's car. If you want to see the shots, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Follow my photography page on Instagram at KingKevo_flicks. I'm gonna put it right here. And follow my Crown Vic page at dumbass with _Vic. It's gonna be on my car real soon. Hold this on. Is my photography page. Make sure you follow that. Make sure you follow my main page. And you know, she looking all good. See if I might get a thumbnail. There we are. There's Eli's. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed the little video I put together. Just hit 800 subscribers. Road to 1K. Join the gang. What the hell? See, told y'all.